With a single income, living on a teacher's salary is difficult. It can be challenging even when there are multiple incomes in a household. One viable solution is remote work. Individual contributors and freelance work are all on the rise, and there are many of opportunities to add hundreds or thousands of dollars to your monthly income to help you make ends meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a first-time viewer, I'm thrilled to have you. This channel is dedicated to hardworking educators seeking ways to secure their financial freedom. Be sure to check out the resources in the description below that will help you start your journey to attaining wealth today. In today's video, you'll learn about 8 high-paying work-from-home jobs that you can secure to start supplementing your income today. Getting some additional income reduces financial stress, allows you to explore new fields of work, polishes your skills or develops new ones, and adds value to your resume. So, let's dive in. Number 1, teaching English. I know you already spend most of your day teaching students, grading their work, and planning their future lessons, but you can earn some extra cash by teaching English to students worldwide. You can earn between $12 and $40 per hour depending on the program and your credentials. All you need outside of the program's desired qualifications is the ability to use video software to connect with students. Because most of the demand for this type of work is overseas, it usually works well with a school schedule. For example, when it's 7 p.m. on a Friday in the Pacific Daylight Time Zone, it's 10 a.m. on Saturday in Singapore. The perfect time for students to get an extra lesson to perfect their English. The English language is in high demand globally, as it is widely used for international communication on and offline. One of my favorite programs is Magic Ears. Learn more about this program that currently pays up to $26 per hour by clicking on the link in the description below. Number 2, blogging. In a world where attention spans get shorter and shorter, you might think that blogging is a dying art form, but you'd be wrong. A study from a 2020 research paper found that more than half of people surveyed read at least one blog post per week. The blogging landscape has evolved over time, but still has a lot of life left in it. And when topics are evergreen, meaning they're consistently relevant, they can generate revenue year-round. On average, Google sees more than 100 billion searches per month. That's a lot of information that people are hungry for. Chances are you're an expert or are passionate about at least one topic. Building a blog takes time and effort, but can develop into a nearly passive income stream over months or even years. Blogs generate passive income through ad revenue and affiliate marketing, where essentially you get commissions for selling products and services for others. And if you add services like printable content or courses, you can quickly scale this income. Bloggers can bring in an annual salary of more than $40,000, and top earners can regularly hit 6 figures. Number 3, bookkeeper. You don't need to be a math teacher or a CPA for this gig. Virtual bookkeeping is extremely flexible. You can make it a full-time job or spend a few hours a week supporting small businesses looking to outsource this work and free up their valuable time. Rates can vary by businesses or experience and qualifications, but you can expect to earn at least $20 per hour and up to $50 per hour providing services to businesses. As a bookkeeper, you'll be responsible for recording transactions, posting transactions to accounting systems, processing payments, conducting banking activities, working on financial reports, and reconciling records. Small businesses can spend as much as 18 hours per week on bookkeeping, making it a viable option for outsourcing. It's more valuable to the company to gain those hours back for their team. And on your end, you don't need to work a second full-time job to support one or more businesses. Number 4, consulting. I'm willing to bet you're an expert on something. Perhaps it's something like outside of the education realm, like human resources, interior design, and other topics you've invested hundreds of hours in for business or pleasure. Or maybe education is your bread and butter. Well, good news. Educational consultants are totally a thing. They advise school districts on various topics like integrating technology into classrooms, designing professional development programs for teachers, and designing or testing products for teachers. This is a perfect side job if you're looking for something that keeps you connected to the classroom and continues to improve student and educator lives. This is a unicorn position when it comes to income and industry overlap. The average hourly pay for educational consultants is over $50 per hour. Spending just 5 hours each week consulting can result in an additional $13,000 each year. Number 5, data entry. Data entry positions are great because they're accessible to nearly everyone. You're ready to go even if you have a GED, reliable internet, and are familiar with platforms like Excel or Google Sheets. This isn't the most lucrative on the list, but it's probably one of the easiest, so it's a great place to start earning a little extra money. Data entry may include websites like Axion, which pays between $15 and $19 per hour. Transcription jobs can also be lumped into this category and require decent typing speeds with high accuracy to access higher earning potential. You can also seek out a contract or freelance position with a large company. Data entry and transcription services pay between $11 to $17 per hour. Number 6, virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are one of the most popular freelance jobs around. Businesses and individuals of all sorts need assistance with various tasks. Businesses need help with customer service, scheduling, administrative tasks, data entry, and more. Big corporations like CVS and United Health regularly outsource administrative tasks, and noteworthy staffing companies like Randstad and Kelly help consolidate listings, pairing qualified freelancers with quality work. Individuals might need help managing their household, scheduling appointments, booking travel, booking classes and programs for their kids or adults, and more. Essentially, it's a broad category that only requires you to be organized on someone else's behalf. Some positions require specific work schedules, but many others offer flexibility needed for those who have a primary job. Virtual assistants pay varies widely, but starting wages average between $15 and $19.50 per hour. Number 7, tutoring. Let's face it, you spend a lot of time tutoring and mentoring your students. You're probably spending much of your downtime doing this for free. During your lunch period, free periods during the day, before, after school, but charging for your valuable skills is the way to go outside your own students. Tutoring can bring in more than $25 per hour, and you set your subjects of expertise. Tutors might work with students one-on-one or provide review services for assignments and projects. You're already a pro at helping students understand complex concepts and apply them to real-world problems, so why not cash in simultaneously? No new skills or certifications are required. Online platforms like tutor.com, schooly.com, and tutorme.com are great places to get started. And if you're up for a little bit more research, looking through the local job boards like Nextdoor, Craigslist, Upwork, many of other parenting boards can provide local work. Tutoring can be conducted in a group setting or individual. It could be online or in person, so it's the perfect choice for you to choose your own adventure, set up to meet your specific scheduling needs. Number 8, social media manager. If you love spending your free time on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok, this might be the perfect fit. Small and medium-sized companies often outsource tasks like digital presence. It's not worth it to them to employ and provide benefits for a social media manager, but purchasing a series of targeted posts they can use at their convenience is easy. Another type of social media management is taking on the process of posting on a company's or an individual's behalf. And you don't need to be awake 24/7 to make these posts. Software like Hootsuite, Sendable, and Loomly can all help you plan, schedule, post, and measure the success of your social media efforts. Putting your social media skills to work can earn you about $24 per hour on average. Well, that's it for today's video. What side job will you start to work with to get closer to financial freedom? Do you have a side hustle I didn't include here that you'd like to share with the audience? Sound off in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit the like button and be sure to subscribe. See you soon.